This video clip is part of the EPFL introductory course on information, computing and communication. It is the fifth one in a set of video clips on memory hierarchies and management. It explains how reading a memory word happens in a hypothetical hierarchical two-level memory built out of a cache and a main memory, where the cache and main memory exchange information in blocks of 4 words. We first look at the case where the word requested by the processor is already in the cache. In a first step, the processor presents the cache with a read command specifying the address of the word to be read, word number 9 in this example. In a second step, the cache computes that the requested word, which has address 9, is in the forward block starting at address 8, and it sees that that block is already in the cache. In a third and last step, the cache can thus directly send back the value of the content of word 9, which is 17 in this example. Now, of course, things are a bit more complicated when the word requested by the processor is not yet in the cache. In this case, the first step is the same as before, except that the requested word address is now word number 2. So this time the cache computes that the requested word is in the block starting at address 0, which is not yet in the cache. The processor is thus forced to wait until the word can be imported from main memory into the cache. This observation triggers a hardware signal called a cache fault or cache default. In this case, the cache must send the main memory a command to transfer the missing block from main memory into the cache. In a fifth step then, the main memory sends back to the cache the entire 4-word block starting at address 0 and including the requested word number 2. The cache then safely saves this block in its remaining free block. And it can then finally send the requested word value, 100 in this example, back to the processor.